Hey Grateful Gang, I am sharing some of the best Coach bags of 2026, the Coach outlet bags that is, and the ones I think are actually worth your money. Now, if you're shopping on a budget, look no further, y'all, because I got the tea for you to make sure that you are actually saving money, but still looking good and looking like you done spent some money, okay? Y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's find the perfect Coach bag for yourself. Now, before we get started, I did want to give you a heads up that these bags are like 30, mostly 40 to 60% off, okay? I'm showing you Lana's, the large ones. I'm showing you the large Brooklyns. Y'all, all under $300. This bag, under $300. This bag, under $300. This bag, under $300. Y'all know these bags was like $600. Now, this one's still hitting for like $400, but these bags are under $300. Like, can you believe it? Now, I just showed y'all the Empire for $450. This one is under $300. That one's under $300. Y'all, you cannot miss this sale again. I know some of you guys missed the actual Lana that was a size 40, and I know, guys, you were disappointed, but I just wanted to make sure that I got this information out to you again. I did post this video 2 days ago and let you know, like, this bag is $117. I'm trying to hurry up and say it, y'all. This one was like two something for this one as well. Guys, do not miss this deal again, because like I said, some of these bags all the way down to like $117. And I think they're very good quality bags. They are retail though, so we're not talking about outlet. These are all retail. The video is about outlet bags, and we about to start right now. Okay, guys, so the City Tote. This is definitely one of the best selling bags this year, 2026. Okay, they had so many versions. Now, when they came out with this one and then that gingham straw one, I was like, oh wow. They really changed up the City Tote. Now, normally we just used to like solid colors, maybe some fruit on it here and there, but they really took it there with the straw. Now, this red one though, I'm loving. The only reason why I didn't grab this red one, number one, is because I grabbed the wrong one that was in red. Number two, I got a Michael Kors bag like this that's a little bit more longer other than wider, and it was harder. It's not as soft as Coach, y'all. Coach is unbeat when it comes to like the fabric, even, or the materials, sorry, even in the outlet. Like, I feel like everything is quality, and y'all keep in mind, most outlet bags are under $300. I can't think of one that's over $300. Can you? Maybe a backpack or something? I can't think of one that's over $300. Now, this one is $189, and the smaller version is $179. Now, the smallest, I'm not really for sure how much the smallest was, but this is the smallest right here. I just don't remember. I guess it's $149 for that one. Now, this is actually the Maggie. I love the Maggie, y'all. These are $179. They're cute. I only like them when they're embossed like this though. I don't like them when they're like signature or just regular basic. I like when you can actually touch the C's and feel it. Yeah, these are $179. These are a big deal this season. These are not sold out yet though. Shocking. Normally, an embossed bag goes real fast. I saw one lady at work with a black one, and I just was like, you got the best tote that Coach makes in the outlet. Like, you got the best one when it comes to the Maggie. I'm not into the Maggie or the Smith, but when you emboss them, I love them. I think they're adorable. Even the inside is pretty decent. Love, love, love these bags. You see how it closes on the inside. I was never a fan of that inside like snap, but when it's a magnet, I think it makes it a little bit better and easier to maneuver. Sometimes I find it difficult to snap on the inside of a bag. I do not know why. Especially don't let me have my nails done. But yeah, y'all, this is the Maggie, and it's super, super cute. They have a couple of different sizes on it. The $179 was for the larger one, and then the small one is, I can't really see the tag. I'm so sorry, guys. Unfortunately, I'm not able to always tell you the prices. However, you can always tap the shopping cart on the screen. If you're on your phone, you can hit the QR code if you are watching it on the TV, and it shall show you the prices for every bag that I tag, which I should be able to get all the bags in this video into the actual shopping bag. Even the video, or sorry, the bags that I showed you up front of the retail sale that's going on, which is awesome. Guys, this is the station carryall. I guess it's a tote, or I don't know what they considering this, but it's a carryall. I don't know why the difference between the two. I mean, it definitely looks different than a station tote, but I mean, a carryall, isn't it still like a tote? I'm not sure. I was so confused with this. I do not care for this more than the station tote. My favorite tote is gonna be like the station tote. The station tote, the Molly tote is my favorite. And I kind of like those pattern totes, not the city one, but the other ones that are like the cheapest ones. They seem more canvas than anything. I'm okay with this one. The carryall is all right. Somebody let me know, did anybody get one of these? And I'm just now getting like familiar with this bag. Had never heard of it before, had never seen it before. Am I late? I don't know why they stuffed it up with that pillow though. That was dead wrong for that. Like, they was dead wrong for that. To stuff this bag up with this pillow like that was just out of pocket, because I feel like it tears up the structure of the bag. I'm gonna just keep it real. I thought that was a bad move. I don't know who else did it in their stores, but my store, they shouldn't have did that. That was not a good look. I'm sorry, this was not my store. This was Orlando. But here go my bag. This is one of my favorites. Now, I didn't get this color because I already got this color in the Rowan with the signature jacquard in crimson. Yeah, just one was all I needed. I just needed a bright red bag aside from my Michael Kors bag that I had got years ago. It was time to do a little upgrade, and not a tote. So that's another reason why I didn't get this tote in this, with this type of tote. I do plan on getting a station tote one day though. I probably should have got that banana yellow, but I'm more looking for like a mustard yellow would be awesome. That would be so much better. But if I get a mustard yellow bag, it gotta be fancy smancy. Okay, this one I would probably love just like an embossed or a signature color. I like the station tote. I don't know what it is. It gives briefcase to me. But this is the one that I'm talking about, these checkered pattern bags. I love these. I think they are adorable. I don't know if there's any more of these available, but I love this bag. I think it is so, I don't know about classy, but it's just so cute. I feel like you could wear like a really big maxi dress, just one color maxi dress, either red, white, or black. I mean, you could even probably get away with yellow. I think that this is so cute, y'all. Just for $129, and then it still carries everything that the other totes carry too. So is this like the cheapest tote? I think, maybe. I don't know. I like it though. It's cute. Guys, then we moved on to the Terry. So past the totes, other best-selling bags in Coach is going to be the Terry. And look, they came out with a beaded one. Now, they done hit us in the head with this one. This one going to be $300, and all three of them are still available. Now, I was never able to show you the red one, but that red one is still available on the outlet website. And like I said, I will make sure I tag it for you. I don't know which one I like. I guess I like the red one the best. Y'all could tell it's signature plus it's beaded. The pink one is okay. I'm shocked that this one didn't go. I don't know why y'all didn't eat this up. Can y'all let me know in the comments what was your thoughts? Why was you guys holding out on this bag? And it seems like everybody did, because it did not sell out. Even when I was leaving the store, I was just like, oh, okay, they not filling the bag. I thought that bag was going to fly. When I saw it online the night before, I was just like, oh, I gotta get there, because I don't see this bag lasting. I was absolutely wrong. Maybe it was the price, the $2.99. What you think? Y'all think it was the price? You think it was a little bit too steep? They might come down, y'all. Watch me. Make sure you keep an eye on me for real, because I do come and let you know when things are going down. Now, this is a mini, and this is a little steep too. This is like $179. I don't think no mini bag should be this price. However, it is so uber cutesy with this bows on it. Remember, they came out with the tan one. I thought everybody was loving that one, but I don't know. I guess sometimes we don't all like the same thing, because I felt like, oh, they about to eat this up, and they did not. The tan one is still available. There was only one red one in the store left on this one, but when I go check online, this bag is also still available. But look at all the tan ones that's available. It's 6 on the table. Y'all, that came out several drops ago. Here's another checker one. I don't know. Do they call this like a blue gingham? I don't know if this is gingham or not. It's just plaid, I guess. It's definitely giving Dorothy. It's definitely, you know what? Well, I guess they can't put the red shoes as a bag charm like they got the cherries, because that would be probably almost trademark infringement type, so I could understand why they didn't do that. But that's the first thing I thought. I want Toto. That's the first thing I thought, period. Now this quilted, oh gosh, this quilted terry, cute, okay? Like it in banana yellow, even better. But then when I put it up against that blue flower, I'm just like, oh, that blue flower chain. I was like, that would be absolutely adorable. Y'all saw the price though, right? Now, as far as the other terries, the fur ones, I don't believe that those are available anymore. This one, I'm not really for sure if it's still available. I'm just letting you know that the terry is like a hot commodity in the Coach outlet. Is definitely one of the ones that I had to have. Now, let me tell you, my Coach outlet bags, I can't really go off of me because I get too many. Okay, I got a Evelyn, I got a Rowan, I got a Claire. I got 2 Claires, actually. And I felt like a Claire wasn't a big bag that everybody was loving on. So, yeah, I'm probably not a good person to judge. But I even got a bucket, Rowan bucket. So, yeah. I'm probably not, I like them all. I definitely want one of most. I'm not gonna say one of all, but one of most. This is that other tan bow one that is gone. I mean, it's not gone. I'm sorry, y'all won't take it. It's like y'all ain't feeling your girl, but I like it. But guys, this one is the Nolita. Okay, this is another one, super cheap, y'all. This one right here, I believe this bag is like $78. That deer print one, I think it's real cheap. Make sure you check the shopping cart. Now, this yellow one, I'm not sure if it's still there. I didn't like that one anyway. It was giving marshmallow to me, but it had the bow on it. That's what was selling it to me. Y'all do realize though, on the Nolita, you can extend the chain on that side, but you cannot remove the strap. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. Keep in mind, this is my opinion. Plus, it's some of the facts from whatever they're typing up. But y'all, thank you for watching. Bye!